Okay, on to question 4c. So again, finding an indefinite integral, all that means is there's no limits, and we need to integrate to find a solution. Now this one, you need to do something to it before you can integrate, so you look at it and think, what makes it a bit harder? You've got brackets there, so just expand the brackets out. So you might be able to do this in one go. I'm going to do it step by step just for those who need it. So we've got square root of x minus 1, it's squared. So please, please, please remember that's double brackets. You've got the whole thing times the whole thing, that's an x. Sorry, the pen's a little bit dodgy. Okay, dx. So, however you want to do it. First term on each thing, so root x times root x. Let's put the indices there because it might help some of you. So we've got x to the power of a half minus 1 times x to the power of a half minus 1. You might not be needing to do this, and if you don't, just be patient, we'll get to where you want. So x to the power of a half times x to the power of a half, you add the indices, so you've got x to the power of 1. So x to the power of a half times x to the power of 1 is just x. Then we're going to do x to the power of a half times minus 1, so we get minus x to the power of a half. Then I'm going to take my second term, so minus 1 times x to the power of a half. We've got exactly the same term again. And then minus 1 times minus 1, we've got positive 1 dx. You might want to put that into brackets just so it's clear that you're integrating the whole thing. Right, at this point here, we're nearly ready to integrate. We've got x minus, and we've got this terms twice. We've got 2 of those. Add 1. I'm going to pop it into brackets so we know we're integrating the whole thing. Okie dokes. At the point of integrating, be careful on your notation. You don't need to now write the integral sign. So we're going to integrate x. So we increase the power by 1. The power is already 1, so it's now 2. Divide by the new power. Here, hit your numbers, just ignore those, so negative 2. Increase the half by 1, so you've got 3 over 2, and divide by 3 over 2. You're not going to leave it like that, and you might be able to flip that over straight away. That's up to you. And then here, 1. You've actually got an x to the power 0, if you like. So we're increasing that by 1. And please don't forget to add on your constant. So this stuff's all okay. This middle term here, not okay. We don't want to have a fraction divided by a fraction. It's nasty. So we're going to flip it upside down. 3 over 2 becomes 2/3. The 2 part of the, if you like here, the 2 comes on the top and a third on the bottom. So we're now timesing by that. Plus x plus c. So I'm just going to write down here, it's a little bit messy. You would carry on ideally your equal signs here underneath each other. But I'm writing a little bit big, so we've got x squared over 2. Here, just times top and bottom, so you've got minus 4 over 3, because 2 times 2. And then we've got the x. Now this power here, we can see what we've got. So how many whole ones? You've got 1 whole 1 and a half left over, plus x plus c. And to finish it off, what I would do is rewrite this entire bottom line, but instead of writing x to the power 1, x to the half, this is the same as x root x. So apologies there, you just need to finish that off and add an extra line to that. However, at this point, really, you are pretty done. Okay.